Oh, hello. This is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I have taught cooking classes for about 5 years. My cooking classes are hands-on. In other words, I have students to stir fry, and I will guide them through the stir frying process. And we usually make several dishes, and I give the students an opportunity to season the dish the way that they like it, because I want them to get a feel of what the food would taste like when they cook on their own. Now, Jan came to my cooking class, and he really enjoys it. At the end of the cooking class, he told me that he was surprised how simple it is to do stir frying, and he felt that the fast cooking system is something that he would like to adopt, and he feels confident that he can adopt the cooking system in very short amount of time. Jan for a walk the following day, and he decided he's going to do some stir frying that evening. He had everything set up, and he repeated some of the steps that we did in the cooking class. While he was heating up the oil, he had a phone call, and he started talking on the phone, and the next thing he knew is that the oil started to smoke profusely, and it actually set off the smoke alarm. Jan realized that he need to pay more attention to the process when he heat up the oil and to season the wok, use my spot seasoning method. He makes some modifications, but this time somehow things did not work out either because some of the food that he tried to cook stuck to the bottom of the wok. Another time, food got badly burned, and he had a really difficult time in cleaning up the wok. Very quickly, Jan realized that what it seemed to be very simple and straightforward at the cooking class turned out to be far more complicated, and he really did not know as much as he thought he did. Jan was disgusted and frustrated by his failure, and he decided maybe it's just too much effort for him to learn and to master my fast cooking system, so he gave up. In fact, Jan's experience is typical. Most of the time when we try to learn something new, we can become very excited. As shown here, what is known as the Dunning-Kruger effect. For most people, when they first start to learn a skill or concept, it's an insight, and they realize that how exciting it is, and it seems to be very easy from their initial success. But as they move along and try to do some of this step on their own, they realize that maybe there's a lot more than I thought, and this is more hard and complex. And the feeling, inevitably, a lot of us will feel that, well, first of all, I really don't have the time to figure it all out, and I'm probably never going to understand this unless I spend an enormous amount of time, which I do not have. Now, this is a time when a person needs help. They need somebody help them to push through this period without has seeped in that they might not be able to master it in an appropriate amount of time. Over the years, I have a number of students reach out to me and basically ask me to coach them, to take them through this period so they can move to the next level when they feel confident that they are now embarked on a journey that they can do this on their own. Consequently, I have worked with a number of students in that situation. I was able to guide them through some of the pitfalls that they inevitably will run into because due to the lack of experience. Instead of have them figuring out everything on their own, I was be able there to guide them through it. And from this experience, I understand that perhaps an online course would be more appropriate in addition to the YouTube videos. A YouTube video are designed to be a one-time experience. However, an online course can provide multiple steps that coordinate together in a more linear learning process. This not only will make the learning experience more effective, but it also reduces frustrations, and therefore the progress will be far more effective, as in comparison if they have to cross all the path and figuring all the obstacles on their own. And therefore, in the past several months, I have been working on developing an online course to help people to adopt the fast cooking system in a more structural manner. So if you are interested want to learn more about this course, you can sign up on my www.walkwithtak.com website. Once you sign up, I will be able to communicate with you later on, and I will be able to send you notifications when the course is ready. I thank you for your interest in adopting my fast cooking system, which I believe it could transform your relationship to food, and it will allow you to make home cooking as part of your daily routine. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.